So here it is. Here's my little unboxing video for Stanny from Tartan Tarantulas, and this is a bee smithy and hopefully a little scorpion in there as well, which I will be getting out. As you can see, packaged very nicely. No lumps and bumps from Royal Mail, which is always good. So let's open it up. So first look into the box, plenty of styrofoam, little what's-it pieces to keep everything nicely tightly packed. There you go, so there's the acrylic enclosure for the little scorp, and this is what we've all been looking after. That's what we've been waiting for, a bee smithy female, 6 to 8 centimetre. And in here will be the little scorp. As you can see, it looks like he's found his way to the top, so it looks okay though, fingers crossed. Right, so let's get unpacking. So this is the enclosure it's going to go into, so let's see what sort of mood this little mare is in. And there she is. Let's just see if we can coax her out a little bit. Come on, you, hurry up. So there we go, one bee smithy, very happy, healthy. Looks like the enclosure might be a little bit big, but I'm sure she'll enjoy it. Cheers, Stanny.